And welcome back. It is time now for another recipe from our weekly Common Ground volunteer.
Molly Aden is joining us again with a way to bring some new flair to your holiday creamed corn dish.
Well, we have a recipe for you that's not your average creamed corn. And joining me now with more is Molly Aden with Common Ground. Molly, what do you have for us?
Yeah, I have a corn recipe that we like to use, our sweet corn that we put up in the summertime that's in the freezer. You could definitely use just your frozen corn that you can buy from the store also. But this is just a elevated way that we like to serve our corn. So this recipe is pretty simple. It probably only takes about 8 minutes to make. So I have 1 bag of corn already in my pot, and I've got another one from the freezer. So you want your corn to be thawed. So that's 2 bags of corn. And then I use a cup of heavy whipping cream. And then I have it measured out already. I've got 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And then you'll just dump that in. And then I have 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm just using unsalted butter because I'm already adding salt, but you can do whatever your family likes. So you're going to go ahead and stir those up, and we'll just wait until they warm up on the stove. And while that's warming up, I have a 1/4 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of flour. And this is going to be your thickener. So you'll want to whisk those together. So once your corn has, you could do it into a low rolling boil if you wanted. And then you'll add in your milk and your flour. So this is helping thick it up. So then you'll want to cook that on your stove until your corn starts thickening up. And then last, before you serve it, we put in a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. You could put in, like the powdered Parmesan cheese, but the grated Parmesan cheese works the best. And you'll just stir that in until it's all melted and serve it up next to your roast or your ham for Thanksgiving or Christmas. We have this during the week too, but it's a fun holiday side dish other than just your average corn.
Molly, that looks really good. And thank you for sharing that with us today. And we look forward to trying it.